stick it and forget it. The hook and loop tape that holds like a beast. Sick of nails, screws, and messy glue? The Art 3D heavy-duty hook and loop tape is here to make your life 10x easier. Crafted from high-density nylon, this super-strong adhesive strip bonds like a champ, gripping surfaces firmly and securely. Whether you're mounting frames, organizing cables, or hanging decorations, this double-sided magic keeps everything locked in place without damaging walls or furniture. Simply peel, stick, and press, no tools, no stress, just instant bonding power. Ditch the drill and embrace the future of fastening. From home decor to office hacks, crafting to DIY projects, this industrial-strength hook and loop tape does it all. Need a reusable, adjustable solution? No problem. Unlike cheap, flimsy alternatives, this durable adhesive strip can be used again and again, without losing its grip. Cut it to any length for a custom fit, and apply it to everything from plastic, glass, and metal to wood, fabric, and textured surfaces. Plus, it works indoors and outdoors, because your creativity shouldn't be limited. Ever had an adhesive tape that sticks too hard, ripping off paint and leaving behind an ugly residue? Not here. This Art 3D hook and loop tape sticks when you want it to and releases when you don't, leaving zero mess behind. Its weather-resistant and waterproof design means it stays tough through rain, heat, and daily wear, making it perfect for outdoor projects, car organization, and rugged DIY setups. Secure mini shelves, remotes, tool organizers, and even lightweight furniture, this tape isn't playing around. Forget complicated installations and power tools, just peel, stick, and boom. You've got a rock-solid hold in seconds. Need to move or replace it? Easy. Unlike permanent adhesives, this smart tape lets you reposition and reuse without frustration. And with multiple size and color options, you can match any project seamlessly. Whether it's black for a sleek look or white for a clean finish, this tape blends perfectly with your setup. Why waste cash on weak adhesives or pricey mounting kits? This affordable, high-quality tape is built to last, saving you from buying replacements over and over again. Whether you're organizing, decorating, or fixing things up, this hook and loop tape does it all, faster, cheaper, and stress-free. Don't settle for weak strips that fail when you need them most. Grab the Art 3D hook and loop tape today and stick with something that actually works.